If you learned English in school, you probably say, I am very happy or I am very sad. Let me ask you something real quick. When you are happy, do you still say, I am very happy? Because native speakers usually don't. Let's talk about how Americans actually express emotions in real life. So imagine this. You got something amazing, a good job, good news, anything. You'll say, I am over the moon, or I am on cloud 9 right now. The vibe is not just happiness. It's like you can't stop smiling even if you try. Now let's flip it. Bad day. Something went wrong. Instead of saying I am very sad, Americans usually say I am feeling kinda down. It's soft, natural, and real-life English. But if it's something deeper, emotional pain, loss, breakup, you'll hear I am heartbroken. And you can actually feel the weight in that word. Now stress. This is super common. People don't always say I am stressed. They say I am at my breaking point, meaning I literally can't take more, or simply I am overwhelmed. Too many things at once, work, life, everything. And when your mind is overloaded, like too many thoughts at the same time, you might hear, my head is spinning. Not physical, just mental chaos. So here's the thing, if you want to sound more natural in English, don't just say happy or sad. Use expressions like this. Because this is how Americans actually talk. Simple words, but real emotions behind them. Try to be more aware of your own emotions. I'll see you in the next video.